We'll discuss some elementary synthesis procedure and concept of removal of poles. Actually, what we do in case of synthesis, whole synthesis is based upon removal of poles and also removal of constant values. So here we will be discussing removal of poles. Now suppose Zs is the given driving point impedance function, and in this Zs, highest power of numerator is greater than highest power of denominator. The difference cannot be more than 1. So if suppose numerator is s cube or 2s cube or 3s cube plus 4s square plus 8s plus 9 divided by denominator is suppose 2s square plus 3s plus 5. Now highest power of numerator is greater than highest power of denominator. Here it is 3 and here it is 2. So there is a pole at s equals to infinity. Now if I divide this by this, it will come out to be 3 by 2 is 1.5, 1.5 s plus something upon 2s square plus 3s plus 5. Actually, this is just an example. I don't know whether this function is a positive real function or not. If it is not a positive real function, we cannot continue. So, if this is a positive real function, then this function will also be a positive real function. And here numerator will be having the power 1. Okay, power will be subtracted 1 or 2. So we have removed this pole when there was a pole whenever this power was more than this. Now this power has been reduced. Now it is not more than this. So the pole at the infinity has been removed from this function. Now this function is simple as compared with this, reduced, and the procedure can be continued further somehow. There are many methods, but the thing is that we have removed this pole, and what will this pole be representing? So now given Zs is equals to this thing plus this thing. So Z1 plus Z2, or we can say, so this is Z1, this is Z2, this Z2 is K into S. So both of them will be in series because this is impedance. So this impedance is nothing but inductance of 1.5 Henry. Okay, so we can have a situation like this. Now this we have connected here. The remaining function is not having pole at s equals to infinity. Now suppose it was by, not z. The same thing, everything is same, but whenever we will remove this, because this is by, so this thing and this thing, y1 and y2, they will be in parallel, and by as ks, this is nothing but a capacitance. So parallel means like this. So if we connect this outside, now we have removed the pole at infinity. Now suppose the lowest power of numerator is less than the lowest power of denominator. For example, okay, case 3. Lowest power of numerator is less 3s plus 5, and denominator it is suppose s square plus 2s. The lowest power here is 1 and here it is 0, s to the power 0, s to the power 1. So denominator is having more lowest power. So what does that mean? There is a pole at the origin. S can be taken as common. We can write it like this, s, this cancel into s plus 2. So there is a pole at the origin. Now if we perform partial fraction expansion, this will come out to be something upon s, k upon s, plus the remaining thing. This pole can be removed, and k by s, this is nothing but capacitance. 1 by Cs. So C is 1 upon K. What we can do? This can be connected like this. Now suppose the same thing is there in bi. So K upon S in bi, this is nothing but inductance. But by 1 and by 2 they are by 1 plus by 2 means admittance is by 1 plus by 2, they will be in parallel. So like this. So here we will be having the remaining function which will be less complicated as compared with this because something has been removed. The only thing is that after doing this, whatever remains there, it is also a positive real function. Whenever we remove a pole from the origin or we remove a pole from the infinity, the remaining function is also a positive real function. Okay, so this can positive real function and it is less complicated also. In case 5, Zs is the given driving point impedance function to be synthesized. If lowest power of numerator Zs is equal to the lowest power of denominator or highest power is equal, then we can remove a finite value from the origin in this case and finite value at the infinity in this case. For example, suppose 3s square plus 5s plus 8 divided by 2s square plus 9s. So one thing is there is a pole at the origin, so we can remove a pole first. Another thing is that here highest power is equals to highest power here. So at infinity there is neither a 0 nor a pole. At infinity there is a finite value and that value is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So this can be written as 1.5 plus something upon this thing. Now this will not be having the power equals to this will be having power less than this. Power will be reduced. So the finite value has been removed and this finite value means a resistance. Now the finite value at the origin can also be removed. Now in this case there is neither a 0 nor a pole at the origin because lowest powers are equal. So 8 by 7 is the finite value at the origin. So this can also be written as 8 by 7 plus something upon this thing. Instead of writing these polynomials in descending order, if we write them in ascending order, we will be able to find out this. Okay. So this way, what we can do? We can remove the finite value and that constant value that will represent resistance. If it is impedance and if it is admittance, that will then also it will represent resistance, but K will be the value of conductance. So 1 by K and it will be in parallel because it was Y.